there, I am Waleed, the founder and CEO of WaLead.ai, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we booked a demo with the multi-million company called Miro. Let's go! All right, so yeah, first thing, we basically had a target. Our target is the head of GTM as Miro because we want to sell them our own software, and to do that, we will use our own software. Of course, let's fucking go. So we just go to the lead. So this is our lead. Is James Hansberger. He's from Denver, and he's the head of GTM technology in Miro. So he's the guy that has to use our software. 100%. It's our ICP, right? So to do that, we basically created two campaigns where we were targeting him. So the first campaign was this one, is the called Hey GTM, and in this campaign we targeted also James, and we use the Yahoo account, right? And our message was like, "Hi James, I'm sure a GTM pro like you probably hates being prospected," and then our stuff, right? Our message. So this was like the first message, and with this we started to get some. Yeah, we started to like say, "Hey, we are here. Let's chat." Some curiosity, and yeah, and he received this message from my teammate Diago, and he said, "Okay, I will take a look." And then what we did is we added James to another campaign, completely different, where basically we were targeting it with another account with a completely different. Yeah, I will show you with a completely different account, and is this one. We targeted him with this campaign. Yeah, here it is with a completely different account in a complete time frame to like do the retargeting and see if we book the demo with him. And for this, we used a more sophisticated method. So first, he got the invitation, the message from my teammate Diago, and then he said like, "Okay, I will take a look. I have some curiosity." And then a week later, he received an invitation from me, and then we send him a message. And this is really sophisticated because for doing this, we basically created an AI message. So we are telling him, "Hey, AI first name." This means our AI first name, what does is normalizes the first name. So it takes out like emojis, symbols, doctor, all kind of weird stuff. And then we created a full different message for him. So this message was with a prompt that I added here, and it was a prompt that it was like a perfect message for him to get the demo with him. So let's see the message with the one that we were able to book the call with him. So the message was this one: "Hey James, whoa, after reading your profile, I am impressed. 100x sales for certified architect. Most people stop at 4 certificates and a slight caffeine addiction." So we are joking, right? "Then congrats on running the tech game at Miro and being the go-to GTM expert." And then we continue with the message. "So you follow Smart Lead? Same here. I am a big fan. That's exactly why I built the Smart Lead LinkedIn. Super smooth, super scalable, just like the queso at Top Denver Hotpot, but way less messy." Another joke. Wanna do a quick demo? So with this, we landed the meeting, and basically we can also see my LinkedIn, of course. Yeah, let's click on the message. Here we go. This is the message. He answered. I sent him my Calendly, and yeah, I'm booked. And let's see what our AI did, right? So our AI added 5 personalizations, and we can check this. For example, first personalization: "I am impressed. 100x Salesforce certified architect." This is the first one. You have to be in the profile of someone to tell him, "Wow, I saw you have 100x Salesforce architect," right? And then the second one is the thing that he works at Miro. The third one, the third personalization, is that he is the GTM expert at Miro. So here we go with 3. Okay, the fourth one is that he actually is a follower of SmartLead. And the last one is a joke about the queso at Denver because he actually lives in Denver. So you can see how our AI is changing the completely game. Yeah, it's changing the game completely, and we are booking demos with the best GTM experts in the world. So imagine if we are even getting this kind of stuff with the best, with the people that actually do this, the people that know all kind of tools and ways, we are able to book the demo with them. Imagine what you can do with a random guy from any kind of industry or traditional industry. It can be like a killer message that will 10x your replies right now, right? And we can see that everything said about the AI is not invented. It's actually true. And if we go to his profile, we can review all this. So first thing, only if we get to the profile, we can check three stuff. One, he works at Miro, so the first one is true. Second, he actually lives in Denver, so the joke about the queso in Denver, it's also true. Third stuff, he actually is the head of GTM technology in Miro, so we have now three stuff that are really true, right? And the fourth one is that he has 100x Salesforce certificates. And if we click here, it's actually true. He has 11 Salesforce certificates. So it is true, right? And the last one is that he is a smart lead follower. And we actually know that he is a smart lead follower because all the leads in our campaign where we targeted him is all of them, they are actually smart lead followers because we did a campaign for to targeting that. So imagine how by using AI and using smart targeting, smart ICP list building, you can do this kind of stuff. And this is nuts. And this is the way we are doing it. This is the way we are crushing it. And if you are still using 2015 or 2020 tools like Galaxy, Heritage, Expandy, or these kind of tools, you are missing the AI wave, and you are missing impacting and being like the first one to like trust us, trust our tool, write AI personalized message, and deliver like 5x reply rate, 10x reply rate, depending on the campaign. So yeah, that's it. This is completely generated with our AI, and we have a lot of more AI stuff. For example, I will show you this. We also have an AI that basically generates also a response for you and makes it really easier to answer your leads without having to type it yourself. Here we go. Right? So yeah, see you in the platform. And if you have any feedback, just type it here. And I hope you give it a try. Bye bye.